My name's Trevor Joseph, you're watching Rolling Slow Media, and today you join me down at Tower Bridge Studios for a Porsche / Supercar photo shoot. Now the idea of this is you just basically drive your car into the studio, get your shots done. You can take all your Instagram, all your social media pictures and roll out. So throughout the day, there's just been a host of cars coming in, taking their shots, rolling out. And yeah, I've come down to, well, I actually came down to get my car done, but my car's not looking too great at the moment. It's been through a bit of the wars, and I don't think I'll have time to clean it. So yeah, but I wanted to come down anyway, kind of check it out and see what cars turned up. But yeah, so at the moment we have a GTS, we've got a 355, we've got a GT3, and we've got a lovely GT. Why do I keep saying GT Turbo? We've got a 911 Turbo. I love that color as well. That's beautiful. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's just go inside the studio. It's so cool. Check out this. So I'm here with James, who runs Tower Bridge Studios, and James and Abs have got together to put this whole photo shoot. So yeah, I'm here to just find out how you guys brought this all together and what's the deal.
He's the man. You
well, I kind of,
yeah.
So I sort of got in contact with James after wanting to do a photo shoot for cars. And I got in contact with James at Tower Bridge Studios. He just so happened to be the guy that picked up the phone. I didn't know he was on the other end of the phone. And he really took it in stride and said, let's do this. And here we are a few weeks later on. But on James's behalf, he's really had pulled out all the strings and he's really pulled everything together, including the lighting, including the photographer, the post-processing. Parking as well is a big one as well to a lot of people. It's been fantastic today, it really has been. But on your behalf, I don't think you could have done much more.
I mean, we've had the studio since 2011, and we shoot a lot of fashion and beauty here. Sometimes we're shooting here, we've got our own production team. Sometimes people hire the studios. So I have had a couple of meets here in the past, in the car park, and I had cars inside, but I've never done, we tend not to do, in the past, we've never done B to C work, so we tend to do B to B, which means we're closed at the weekends. So obviously this is a great opportunity. The studios are empty today, we can open them up, and obviously I'm a massive car nut. I love driving. Driving is my thing. So when Abs called and I picked the phone up, and I was like, I've been thinking about this. All I need is someone to organise it. Abs has pulled a great load of, in fact, you had an awful lot of people when you were
Indeed, I mean, in the end, we had space for 10 initially. You were gracious enough to push it over 2 weekends. We doubled that to 20, cool. But there was 40 people in total.
Wow, yeah, it's such a good idea. When you messaged me and told me about it, I was like, that's gonna sell out so quick. Like, you're gonna have all types of cars coming in. Like you said, because it's winter, you know, to be able to get your car in the studio and take all these photos, it's like the perfect time of the year and the perfect spot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks for that.
It's been a pleasure. Great idea. Absolutely great idea, guys.
All right, guys, well, that's it. This was just a quick video. That's all I got time for. I hope you enjoyed this one. Such a great idea. I'm gonna be bringing my car back next week because it's way too grimy and I'll be there all day trying to wash it. So yeah, I will catch you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's try and get those subscriber numbers up, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.